gardening is for everyone. You know, it's not just for the minority, not for a few people, it's for everyone. The RHS and Eastern Eye Garden of Unity is actually about community. I wanted it to be really, really inclusive. So I wanted it to be about people who are less able-bodied, people who may have poor eyesight, but also people who are from different communities as well. The Indian community, the Pakistani community, the Punjabis and the Sikhs, but I also wanted it to include the African and Afro-Caribbean community, the Chinese community, even the LGBT community. It's really important for me to make sure that they're included as well. So what we've done is we've created this beautiful backdrop, and we're using timbers that are painted in pinks, in oranges, in aubergines and alabaster. And it creates a lovely backdrop to the planting, lots and lots of planting. And the reason why is because, when you're sitting in a garden, the most wonderful feeling that you can get is that coziness and protection when you're surrounded by lots of planting. And that's what I'm aiming for, that this garden, when you're sitting in it, you feel immersed and protected. Then we've got a lovely structure based on Maya Angelou's quote, "Be a rainbow in somebody else's cloud." The vertical posts are all painted up into the roof of the structure, and the roof is painted in the alabaster color. I've used these pieces of hexagonal stone, and they have been laid in separately, so they look as if they're broken. So that broken pathway represents a broken society. But as we all know, when a broken society actually then starts coming together and works together as a single unit, that's when positive things start happening. In 2017, when I created my garden at the Chelsea Flower Show, called Beneath the Mexican Sky, little bit known to me, Clive, my partner, had approached the RHS to see if we could get married on the garden that I had designed. Now, they were really up for it. The only thing was time was against us. So this time, when I was discussing designing the garden with the people at the RHS, at the end of the conversation, I said, would it be possible for Clive and myself to get married on the garden? And they were really up for it. This time, it's meant to be. So yes, we're getting married on the garden on press day, and I can't wait.